Assalamualaikum, everybody. Today my friends. Today we want to present about the workup car replacement service. My name is Muhammad Rizal and my friend. Next. Next. Okay. Introduction. Because low arm, also known as low arm or control arm, is one of the important components in the vehicle suspension system. It functions as a link between the vehicle chassis and the wheels, helping its stability, control and driving. The low arm or control arm is one of the important components in the car's suspension system. It functions as a link between the car's chassis and the wheels, allowing for stable movement and road control. In driving, the lower arm is usually connected to the chassis using the shift and is connected to the wheels, knuckles, by a ball jump. This component plays an important role in absorbing shock and ensuring that the wheels remain aligned with the road, especially when driven on an uneven surface. If the lower arm is damaged or worn, can cause problems such as spinning wheels, ceramic vibration, knocking noise, or imbalance in vehicle control. Therefore, regular inspection and maintenance are important to ensure safety and smooth driving performance. Next.
So we're going to talk about jet stand and slow jet function in ways that support the car safety. Spanner and socket set function. Remove flaps and bolt on the lower arm. So next, breaker bar function to help loose like bolt. So number 4, recheck branch function. Make it easier to remove the stone bolt. When replacing a lower arm, typically in the context of a prosthetic or medical device, the material used need to be lightweight, durable, and capable of withstanding thrusting and pressure from movement. Common material include number 1, titanium. Crafty, often use a protect line its strength, lightweight, and corrosion resistance. Aluminium, light than titanium but still strong, often used in combination with other material for structural support. Number 3, carbon fiber. Known from high strength to weight ratio. Carbon fiber is commonly used in protective and automobiles, providing flexibility and durability. Number 4, stainless steel. Used for certain mechanical component due to its strength, corrosion resistance. Number 5, polymer plastic. Polymer plastic, such as fiber, ultra high muscular weight, polymer tests. These are used for their durability, impact resistance, and low friction properties. Number 6, selection. Silicone, often used for prosthetic liner or skin line, cover to its softness and flexibility, providing comfort for the user. Number 7, Kevlar. The choice of material depends on the intended function, the level activity of the person used
check the car and place jet stand. Raise the car and make sure it is stable. Third, remove the wheel. Remove it completely to access the blowout. Fourth, remove the ball joint. Unscrew the ball joint, usually 70 mm or 10 mm. Use a ball joint, straightener or tab with a rubber mallet to loosen it. 5. Remove the lower arm rear push bolt. There is usually one large bolt that connects the lower arm to the subframe. 6. Remove the front lower arm bolt. This is the last bolt that holds the lower arm to the subframe. And last, 7. Remove the lower arm, pull it out carefully. If it is tight, use a rubber mallet to help. Next. Okay, so how to install the lower arm? First, place the new lower arm. Insert it into its original place. Second, install the front bolts. Do not tighten it completely yet. Third, install the rear push bolt. Same, only tighten it partially. 4. Connect the ball joint. Insert the tighten the nut and tighten the nut. 5. Tighten all bolts until everything is in. Then torque the bolt according to the factory specification. 6. Install the wheel. Tighten the wheel bolts and lower the car. 7. Retorque the wheels after lowering. Make sure the wheel bolts are tightened sufficiently. 8. Test drive. Test drive to check stability of the car. Next. So this is the flow chart. This is the flow chart online. Checking the lower arm of a vehicle suspension components such as the car. First, preparation stage. Ensure the vehicle is put on the flat surface for safety. Second, engage the parking brake. Make sure the car that you went to change lower arm in static condition, engage the parking brake. The third project is gather necessary tools and parts. Make sure that all tools and parts are ready and in good condition before changing the lower arm. The fourth step is lift the vehicle. Use the car jack to lift the vehicle. Slowly check the vehicle. Be careful by using the jet stand machine. Next. Fifth, remove the wheel. Use a wrench to remove the lug nuts. 6. Take off the wheel to expose the suspension. Take off the wheel safely to the flat surface. Next. Loosen the lower arm bolts. Identify the bolts securing the lower arm to the vehicle frame. Use appropriate tools to loosen and remove the bolts. 8. Remove the lower arm. Detach the lower arm from the suspension system. 9. Inspect the new lower arm. Complete the bolt and new lower arm for proper fit and alignment. 10. Install the new lower arm. Attach the new lower arm with the suspension on pin points. Tighten all bolts securely according to the manufacturer's specifications. 11. Install the wheel. Place the wheel back onto the wheel arm. Tighten the lug nuts with the proper torque. 12. Lower the vehicle. Carefully lower the vehicle using the jack. Remove the jack stand. And lastly, test drive the vehicle. Check for any unusually sounds or movements. Test drive the vehicle for functionality and stability. Alright, we will pass it to Lokman for setting procedure.
So the safety procedure. Why intelligent? Safety and procedure.
Safety procedure.
Procedure.
Safety procedure.
Mobile internal profession.
Initial
Initial preparation. Make sure the car
preparation.
preparation. Make sure the car is on flat surface. Apply the brake and place your choke on the tire and tire that is active. Wear gloves and safety shoes. Number 2, lifting the car safely. Use jet stand under the car frame before starting work. Never release slowly on the jet without jet stand. Number 3, lower arm removal process. Use veneration oil if the lower arm bones are loosely or tight. Use a suitable tool such as a brake bar to remove the block safely. Make sure the spring and other suspension are not under pressure before removing the bolt. Number 4, installation. Reinstallation. Use the triplet wrench and tighten the bolt according to the manufacturer specification. Make sure all bolts and nuts are installed correctly before lowering the car. Check tire alignment after installing